Timing, all right. What's up, Liv? Hey, Pipe. Every time you come out here, you're another 3 inches taller. Hey, Julesies.
Right here. Wait, Jules, back out. We can't. Could you wait a second? We're going. Turn and then put your stick.
Good job, Ronan. Good job. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Great paddle skills, man. All right.
Okay. Hold on, don't hold it.
There's the fanciest of them all.
Here we go.
Here comes Captain Kevin. That'd be funny if you fell right now.
Don't tempt me.
No.
Kevin, you look like a monkey.
Yeah, he smells like one too. Yep, there she is.
This is the part where Don would say no thank you.
Yeah, there's some that, you know, they're like, nah.
Nah.
Hey, Junie.
Hey, thank you, Joey. Thank you, This is awesome.
Awesome video. Are you the caboose?
I'm a caboose.
All right.
I call it Mama Bear syndrome.